Welcome to Daily Quiz Game, your daily dose of general knowledge. Get ready to challenge your brain with today's GK test. Let's begin. 1. Which is the smallest country in the world by land area? Answer: Vatican City. 2. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: Mars. 3. Which ocean is the largest in the world? Answer: Pacific Ocean. 4. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer: George Washington. 5. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer: Nile River. 6. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Answer: Camel. 7. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: Japan. 8. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Answer: Venus. 9. What is the capital city of Australia? Answer: Canberra. 10. Which country has the largest population in the world? Answer: China. 11. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Answer: William Shakespeare. 12. Which is the largest mammal in the world? Answer: Blue whale. 13. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Answer: Diamond. 14. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer: France. 15. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. 16. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Answer: South Pole. 17. Who invented the telephone? Answer: Alexander Graham Bell. 18. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: stapes. 19. What is the capital city of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. 20. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Answer: Mandarin. 21. Which country is the largest by land area? Answer: Russia. 22. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer: H-Cho. 23. In which year did World War II end? Answer: 1945. 24. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Answer: Africa. 25. What is the hardest working muscle in the human body? Answer: Heart. 26. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. 27. What is the currency of Japan? Answer: Yen. 28. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Answer: Liver. 29. Which element does O represent on the periodic table? Answer: Oxygen. 30. In which year did the Titanic sink? Answer: 1912. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you in the next video.